This is my fridge. You got eggs, got a creamy ranch sauce, chips, got A1 sauce, syrup, and then we got Heinz 57, steak sauce, some jelly, mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, got barbecue sauce, ketchup, sour cream, butter. We got all our drinks. Got a lot of Gatorade, got Kool-Aid, orange juice, milk. We got Hawaiian Punch in the back. We got fruit punch right here, high C. We got some leftover pizza from yesterday, Twix bar. Got a bunch of cheeses, turkey, more cheese. In the freezer we got waffles, chicken nuggets, french fries, fish sticks, shrimp, steakums, a lot of meat, steaks, some bacon, got our ice, popsicles, more meat. That's pretty much it.